first year, how scary and chaotic that was, I have a question. If you guys were to give advice to first years and transfer students, what would you guys tell them?
Well, I would say don't be afraid of taking different type of Gs for sure.
I also think it's really important to seek out help when needed. So like going visiting your TA's office hours or your professor with help.
And definitely plan ahead. Whether you want a double major or minor, you can definitely do it as long as you keep checking in with your major advisors.
Yeah, I think definitely going to major advising or peer advising helps a lot.
And speaking of advising, you should always go to advisors just to make sure that your schedule is balanced with the number of units and also the course load.
Oh, building up on that, don't skip classes even if it's 8 a.m.
Yeah, I agree with that, but also make sure to, go to clubs, see like social life and things like that.
And also, if you're interested in certain classes but you're not sure about it, you can always take them from past and passes. That way you don't have to worry as much about the grades and just focus on learning and getting experience in class.
Yeah, that sounds good. Thank you guys.